Hi, today I'm going to show you how you can add staff accounts onto your Shopify store. So first off, you will have to start from the Shopify dashboard such as this. And then you'll need to go on the gear icon on the bottom left here on the settings. Click on settings and then click on users and permissions. On users and permission, you can add a staff account on this section here. Although you can see that you need to select a subscription plan that includes additional staff accounts and controls who can do that. In short, basically, you need to have a subscription to Shopify to actually access this. Now let's see what happens if I press this button here. And right now, you need to add a Shopify for small teams, which starts at $50. So if you uh get the cheapest one, which is basic for $19, you won't have a lot of staff accounts, right? You can see here that only for small teams, you can get 5 additional staff accounts. On this one, you don't get 5 additional staff account. So if you get a subscription, make sure you buy a tier above the basic one. Because if you buy the basic one, you won't get any staff account. So you can't add any staffs. If it's advanced, you get 15 staff accounts. If it's plus, you get over here's unlimited staff accounts. So you can get so many staffs. But as you can see, it's pretty expensive at around $2,000 per month. If you're happy with the subscription you want to pick, just click on select Shopify, right? And then in here, you just have to enter in your credit card details, such as this, and you'll see the details here as well. You can see right now, even though before you can see here, it's $49 per month, it's still $1 per month for the first month. This is a form of their trial, right? So, if you want, you can try advanced for $1, and then after the trial ends, you can switch back to this one. So you can get the benefits of advanced and including 15 additional staff accounts. But once you click on this, you can just enter in your credit card details, or you can use PayPal if you'd like. And then you have to subscribe, and then you can add your staff account from settings, user permissions, and then this section right here.